What's good, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Weekly Outlook. This is June 4, about 1 a.m., and I'm recording this particular Weekly Outlook to discuss something very important, very significant that I'm seeing on gold right now. In the recent video, we had discussed that I am expecting gold to be bullish on Tuesday, possibly on Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe even Thursday, and then followed by a very sharp correction, which is exactly what we got, right? Now, what am I going to expect in the coming week? In fact, I would say that this chance that I'm seeing can be a golden opportunity to buy gold for months to come. Now, before we discuss all of this in detail, make sure you guys follow me on my Twitter. That is YASSHH7, where I try to keep you guys posted, and of course our Telegram channel. I'll just mention the link in the description below. All right. Let's start up with gold. What do we have now? If I go on a monthly time frame, what do we have on a monthly time frame? If you observe, we have got previous month's low, right? We have trapped people right here. Currently, we are trading below previous 2 months range. Next up, we have weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, we have trapped the sellers in this particular week, right? Because gold has given nice bullish momentum right after sweeping previous week's low. Now let's go on a daily time frame, and now this is where it gets interesting. Okay, let me switch to 4 hours for a clear picture here. So here was the final trap, which we saw on a weekly time frame. Was a perfect, wonderful trap which happened, and after this we broke structure on the upside. Moreover, we have also tested this particular supply zone, which from where I had given a sell. You can check my Telegram channel or Twitter for that. And these were my targets. If I show you this particular tweet, yeah, my anticipation for NFP can possibly continue lower. I don't be trapped at these levels. Good probability we can push down to 1940s, 1950s, and I think that is exactly what we've got, right? We have closed at 1948, right? So now is where the most interesting part lies. Now this zone, at least until this low is protected, 1932, I am going to be very, very bullish. I'm expecting prices to maybe break structure once again over here, and then I'm expecting that this could be the final bottom on gold, which could be held for possible months to come. Because after this, I think if this is the right bottom that we are going to catch, then we can witness a rally as good as 2100 and or even higher for that matter. Now in the other scenario, if at all we break below this particular low, which is 1932, I think it will open up a very, very huge room for gold to drop below. I personally don't think that gold will break below and then come all the way down to 1870 odd levels. I think there will be a swift momentum right from here and just a continuation up. So let's again go back on a 4-hour time frame here. Over here. Now this particular zone which I just spoke about, mark it up. This zone, at least until 1931, or for a safer side, is a extremely good zone to keep buying, because this one trade can there's a very high probability this one trade can recover majority of losses that you have possibly made in the market. This could be one of the biggest trade you could ever take. Just in case if you guys are new over here, let me tell you that I had given trades from these levels, from 1630 odd levels, with a target of 1970, 2000 odd levels, and we've got that, right? We've got exact reversal from around 1960, 1970 odd levels. So this time again, I'm extremely bullish, and I personally am not going to miss this opportunity no matter what. Anyway, so that's pretty much what we are also going to be looking at on other currencies paired with the dollar. And of course, with the debt ceiling in picture, it's a very, very high probability that we are very soon going to witness a massive correction, a massive downfall on DXY, which will of course lead to a humongous rally on all the pairs related with the US dollar. So anyway, coming back to GBP USD, I don't see anything, any problem. It's a clean higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and another higher high, or maybe equal highs in picture, right? Moreover, of course, we have gotten liquidity from this point. Moreover, now we have protected the previous week's low, and also we have closed bullish, right? So it's a very good scenario for buys. Now just the question remains from where and when. So I think these levels could be a good buying zone right here. Could be a very good buying zone in my opinion. And you can target all-time high, or not all-time high, sorry, the recent highs. You can expect them to break anything higher than 1.26500 odd levels, or at least until this. It's a very beautiful trade that I'm seeing, a very, very wonderful week that is setting in. Of course, now we have Euro USD. On Euro USD, I see the exact same pattern. It's a 4-hour time frame. We have broken structure, stop hunted the previous lows, again broken structure on the bullish side, right? So same idea, same logic we are going to use over here. We have this demand zone. I'm expecting a smooth push and continuation. I'm aggressively bullish now on all the USD pairs. Just keep buying at whatever levels you can, because it's a easiest thing you can possibly do. Now we have AUDUSD. If you look at the structure, it's it's mad bullish, right? You see the candles, right? Look at this. I had mentioned in the previous video that I will not be interested to short AUDUSD. I clearly mentioned that, and the only reason was that I gave was we have already tapped into a demand zone, so there could be a reversal anytime. It's highly unpredictable, so that is why shorting AUDUSD was something that I did not recommend. And look what happened. Anybody who simply thought, right, that just because we have broken previous week's low, let's enter short positions. But look at this, look at the drawdown. These people must be in 2% up move. It's not a joke, right? So again, yeah, coming back, you can again expect some good buying from maybe this level, or maybe this level, this demand zone. Keep in mind, I'm aggressively bullish. This could be the final opportunity you could take as a swing trade, especially in gold. So do not miss, no matter what happens, do not miss the gold buys, because I'm aggressively bullish. Just selling over here is stupidity. It's just losing money. Instead, go watch a movie, treat yourself, treat your kids, treat anybody else, but do not short here. This is the golden opportunity that I am seeing, and I would highly suggest to buy in this particular zone other than trying to attempt sells. All right, then. This is it. I hope you found the video helpful. I'm very much excited to see what happens in this particular week. Make sure you guys are connected on Twitter and Telegram, so that in case there is some change in price action, I will be uploading it. I will be posting updates on Twitter and Telegram. It's very difficult to make a video altogether for a simple update, right? So make sure you guys are connected on these platforms. And I hope you found the video helpful. Please share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.